Are you ready to make an impact on the United States while advancing your career? The National Interest Waiver, or NIW Green Card Petition, might be the perfect option for you. Hey folks, this is immigration attorney Hassan Abdullah, principal attorney of the American Visa Law Group. We understand the difficulties and complexities of navigating the immigration process, and we're here to help you. That's why we're offering this free attorney evaluation of your NIW case right here on our website. This is a companion video to our website evaluation page, and the purpose of this video is to give you an idea of some of the things that would merit a valid case. We want you to help us help you. Just a small disclaimer, we do not accept all types of NIW cases. So if your NIW case is not a case that we would be able to assist with, it doesn't necessarily mean that you do not have a valid NIW case, and we will let you know. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, we'll show you where to find the questionnaire for the NIW. Just go ahead and click Contact Us. Once that loads up, just scroll down and click here for our NIW free evaluation form. And that should bring us to the evaluation form page. So first of all, the question you'd have to answer is, what will your occupation and profession be? Pretty self-explanatory. And then the next question is, what is your highest level of education and how many years of relevant experience do you have? To qualify for an NIW, you do have to fit under the EB2 category. So in order for that to be the case, you should have a master's degree. There are some exceptions, such as a significant amount of experience and having additional qualifications, which we will not go into in detail in this particular video. Next, are you currently employed in the US, or do you have a job offer, or do you have a plan to develop a product? We generally take NIW cases that are not highly speculative. So we prefer accepting cases where you already have a job in the US, or if you do not have a job, you at least have a very clear vision as to how you're going to serve the national interest in the US. The next question is generally describe the next field we ask you to generally describe your job duties in your occupation or profession. So again, another very self-explanatory field. The next field requests you to specifically explain what national interest will your work benefit and how to and to what extent. For example, a civil engineer may work on engineering safe bridges, or a biomedical engineer may work on developing medical devices to treat medical conditions. In your case, be as specific as possible. If you're working on a specific project or projects, or in a unique discipline, be sure to provide details. A national interest includes U.S. economy, U.S. business competitiveness, U.S. healthcare, wage and working conditions of U.S. workers, education and training programs of U.S. children and underqualified workers, cultural awareness of Americans, affordable housing for the young or the elderly, poorer residents in the U.S., poorer U.S. residents, the environment of the U.S., productive use of U.S. natural resources, etc. So you can see it's very open-ended and broad. Finally, explain the prospective benefit from your personal, uniquely superior qualifications. In other words, explain your ability to serve the national interest to a substantially greater degree than the majority of others who work in your area of expertise. You should be able to demonstrate a past history of achievement with some degree of influence on the field as a whole. Because one of the key criteria for NIW is to show that you are well positioned to further the national interest. So hopefully this walkthrough through the questionnaire helps you out to answer the questions. It's a pretty straightforward questionnaire, and if you have a valid case, which we are inclined to accept, we will let you know. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.